Just a little update on the mini renovation I'm doing. I finally installed this thing. And they all have like internal hardware. So it's like, I don't have a screw, or we probably do. I just don't know where it is. A screw small enough for this. So just casually tightening this up with a knife. No biggie. The freaking drywall plugs it came with, stripped immediately. You know, like it's just, why even put that shit in there? Okay, I think it's good now. Like it's feeling pretty sturdy. Say like this thing, but move it over, yeah? Like look how cute. Definitely a longer cord. Yeah. So the vision is, put this over here, wire this puppy, and then the light needs to be here. Ish. Voila. This shit's the worst. Can't fucking breathe. Getting dust in my eyes. Still not effing sanded properly. Okay, so Buddy said he watered it down only a little. Or he didn't water it down too much. So, I don't know how much water to add. Man, I'm getting sort of like nervous now because I did all this sanding and crap. If it doesn't work out, well, I guess I start over or we cover it up. I don't know. I don't know. Like, I really don't know how this is gonna work out, but that's what we're doing. Just getting the stuff up here and sponging it on. Okay? Alright. Hey, it's actually working, so I knew I could do it. I never doubted myself. Okay. Oh my god. Girl did it. You girl did it. Woo! Okay. So next, I've got to scrape it to make that flat texture look. But I'm going to do it like a little bit at a time. Right? You don't want to scrape too much. You got to do it very gently, and I can always go over it again. So we're going to do one scrape. We're going to see how it goes. Just finishing touches here. Okay. Okay. Are you effing serious? I did that. I did it. I literally did this. I did it. Okay, by far the most outlandish, like, just like going for it DIY I've ever done. Are you kidding me? Like, I really did it.